Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're diving into Dovely, the credit repair platform that promises to help you boost your credit score with just a few clicks. Let's find out if it lives up to the hype. Dovely is an automated credit repair service designed to dispute and resolve errors on your credit report. Unlike traditional credit repair agencies, Dovely uses AI to streamline the process claiming to save you time and money. So, how does it work? It's simple. You sign up, connect your credit profile, and let Dovely's algorithm identify potential errors. You can prioritize which items to dispute, and Dovely handles the rest, sending disputes to the credit bureaus on your behalf. One thing I love about Dovely is their free plan. It's great if you want to test the waters, but for faster results, the premium plan gives you unlimited disputes and monthly credit score updates for just $39.99 a month. Now, let's talk results. Dovely claims its users see an average credit score increase of 56 points. Personally, I have found that while it's not an overnight fix, it's a solid tool if you are patient and proactive. Here's a quick breakdown of the pros and cons. Pros: easy to use, affordable plans, and automated disputes. And the cons are results take time and it's not a replacement for good credit habits. So, is Dovely worth it? If you're looking for a low maintenance way to repair your credit, I'd say yes. But remember, no tool replace budgeting and responsible spending. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.